this. We have got to put a better product on the field. That means game tackling, finish and drive, and when we got somebody on the ground, let's step on their throat and choke them out. Does everybody understand that? Like I know they can throw the ball right now. They just go stall one and we'll catch it and run. Alright, if he's in the no man's land right there, run your slant route. Does that make sense? I still like the wheel route, but I don't think it's going to be the wheel. I think it's going to be the whip. I think it's going to be the whip. If they play one high whip and we got inside verticals, try to throw it in that 16, 18 yard window. Alright, try to get it in there tighter. Y'all run, start kind of settling at 16, 18 and let's just hit the lane.